Hello everyone, my name is Dinesh Marmat from Triple IT for the International Campus DU in Computer Science Engineering student. Today I am presenting hydroelectrical power plant presentation. This is my project in electrical engineering and guidance by my professor Dr. Jignesh Patel. So let's start it. First discussion outline. Today's topic is introduction of power plant, types of power plant, hydropower plant, working of power plant, advantages, importance, disadvantages of hydro plant, and last is conclusion. So let's start of our introduction of our project. Introduction. A power plant is facility that generates electrical power by converting various sources of energy into electricity. It serves as a centralized location where energy transformation process takes place a large scale. Uh, Means a power plant like giant energy factories, it's take different types of energy like coal, natural gas, sunlight, of our of water, and converts them into electricity. This electricity can then be distributed and used to power homes, business, and industries. Think of it as centralized hub and producing large amounts of electrical power efficiency. Next is energy acts the lovely threads of that constants elements of progress, fairness, and ecological stability, sustainability. Dr. Faith Birol, Fatil Birol means Dr. Faith Birol quotes highlights in inconsistence of energy with progress, fairness, and ecological sustainability. Energy of essential for driving process and development in society, powering industries, transportation, and technologies advancements where access to energy ensures that everyone has opportunities to benefit from the advantage, promoting social economic equalities. Next, types of power plant. Fossil power, fuel power plant, nuclear power plant, renewable energy power plant, combined cycle power plant. Fused power plant is mostly burn coal, oil, natural gas to generate electricity. It's common but process greenhouse gases and pollutants. Second, nuclear power plant uses nuclear reaction produce heat which then generates electricity. Its power but comes with concern about safety and radioactivity wastes. Uh, Third is renewable energy power plant is means harness energy from natural replenished source like sunlight, wind, water, and geothermal heat. They clean, sustainable alternatives to fossil fuels, which combined cycle power plant combines gas and steam turbines maximum energy efficiency. It's more efficient than traditional fossil fuels plants, reducing fuels consumption and emission. So now it starts come out point of our project. Hydropower plant definition. Definition: a hydropower plant harness the power of flowing water, generate electricity, converting natural force into clean energy for sustainable development. It means like a hydropower plant uses moving water like rivers or dams to produce electricity. It converts the energy of flowing water into clean, renewable electricity, contributing sustainable development by reducing reliance on fossil fuels. Next, working of our project hydropower system. In hydropower system, working process follows following these steps. Uh, Headgate. Headgate are installed in the dam to control the release of water from the reservoir. By opening and closing the gates, the flow of water can be regulated. Reservoir is created by constructing a dam across river, storing a significant amount of water at a uh, elevated height. Elevated height. Or second is penstock. Penstock. This is penstock. The, the water released from the reservoir flows through the penstock, which is a large pipe of channel that direct to water through the powerhouse. This is the powerhouse in whole system. This is transformer and this is turbine and this is generator. Let's continue the working. Turbine. Turbine is high pressure water pump penstock reaches powerhouse is a strike balance turbine casing its rotate turbine designing to efficiency convert the kinetic energy of flowing water into mechanical energy. Generate the rotating turbine connected a generator energy from the turbine transmitted to the generator which converts into electrical energy through the process of electromagnetic induction. Then the electrical energy goes in transformer power lines. The electrical energy produced the generator is transmitted through the power lines in the transformer often at high voltage to ensure efficient transmission over the long distance. Distribution. The transmitted electricity is the distributed through the transformer network of power lines to homes, business, industries, and consumers, providing a uh, reliable source of electrical पावर अगर मैं आपको शॉर्ट में कहूँ इन द शॉर्ट पावर प्रोजेक्ट वर्किंग this is headgate. Headgate are installed in the dam control uh, the release of water from the reservoir. Reservoir is created by constructing a dam across a river, storing significant amount of water elevated height. By opening and closing the gates, the flow of water can be regulated. Penstock, the water released from the reservoir flows through the penstock, which is a large pipe of channel that direct the water towards powerhouse explosives. This is the turbine. As high pressure water from penstock reaches the powerhouse and strike the blades, a turbine causing it to rotate. Turbines is designed efficiency convert in kinetic energy uh, flowing water into mechanical energy. This is generator. The rotating turbine is connected a generator. The mechanical energy from the turbine transmitted the generator, which converts into the electrical energy through, through the process of electromagnetic induction. Then the electrical energy goes in transformer through the power lines. The power lines. These are the power lines. The electrical energy produced by the power lines generator is transmitted through the power lines in transformer often at high voltage to ensure efficiency transmission over long distances. And last, distribution of electricity. Distribution, the transmitted electricity is then distributed through the government network of power lines, homes, business, and consumers providing reliable source of electrical power. Now advantages. Renewable and clean energy source with no direct emissions for pollution provides a reliable and consistent power supply. Water availability can be managed through the reservoir, ensuring stability and control over energy production. Long lifespan and low operational costs contribute the energy independence and stability. Support water management, irrigation, and flood control the surrounding areas. Hydropower plants can serve as multi-purpose facility combining power generation with uh, recreational activities such as boating and fishing. So we know everything. These things have advantages. We also know it have some disadvantages. So we are talk about some disadvantages. Environment impact. This project uh, is very small amount affect our environment. This environment this effect is hydropower plant can have environment effect, uh, high initial costs and limited uh, stable location. They may contribute to water scarcity and face challenges with sedimentation and reservoir lifespan. High initial cost or limited location. It's we have putting at limited location because he coverage more areas. Potential for water scarcity, sedimentation, and reservoir life. These are the disadvantages of our project. In short, I tell you, hydropower plant environmental impact, high initial costs, limited suitable location. They may contribute to water scarcity and face challenges with uh, sedimentation and reservoir lifespan. So these are the environment impact, high initial cost, limited locations, potential of water scarcity, or sedimentation and reservoir life. Next, conclusion. Hydroelectricity has long-standing history worldwide and has played a significant role in meeting global energy demand with the focus on sustainability. The development of better technology, hydroelectricity is expected to continue to grow and play an important role in meeting global energy demand in the future. So these are the conclusion of our project. Thank you so much for your time and attention.